Bapak Ibu yang tahu lagunya boleh nyanyi sama-sama ya. Benawang Solo. Benawang Solo, please give applause for all of you.
In my arms when I want you.
The 2023 APP ePacket Student Community Meeting and Workshop.
The religions and the cultures are blended and becoming unique to Balinese.
What I do, and I wish you a fantastic rest of our trip here to Indonesia, and I can guarantee that if Bali is on the table, I will get it arranged. So, thank you very much.
For all of us to have this kind of hospitality from Indonesia Post and the team of APP. So on behalf of India Post, I would like to thank all of you for making this event very
excited and too much thank you for your kind of hospitality. Thank you so much.
So that once again, thank you Indonesia Post provide us everything, transportation from meeting room to here to visit the Indonesia Mini Garden. It's very wonderful.
I'd like to say thank you for Indonesia Post and also the APP for this event. And this is my first time here, but I feel very warm being here. And I wish that I can be here again.
And also Mr. C for inviting Malaysia as one of the participants in this meeting. What I want to say is I feel just like home. Because I believe all of you are my family. And then I feel like at the first time that we arrived to airport, Post Indonesia served us so good with all the arrangement. With very good hospitality, the hotel is so nice, the food was so nice, and then the environment that I love so much. This is my first time in Jakarta. Previously I came to Indonesia, just transit in Jakarta, and then I went to Bandung, and then this is the first time that I stay in Jakarta for quite some time. So for the last but not least, thank you everybody, thank you Post Indonesia, thank you all the Post members of APP, thank you, bye.
Shall I stay?
Thank you.